No way, I discovered this incredible new method to get Delta Executor for iOS and Android. So let me just show you guys right here. I'm just going to join a game just so you can see it works. But yeah, this is crazy. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to download it onto your device. So if you guys want to get it for your device, keep watching. So as you can see, we got all the settings there. So this is actually here. So if you guys need it, keep watching the video and I'm going to show you exactly to download it. So as you can see, we got the whole menu there. So that's actually working, guys. So this is super cool. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to download it onto your device. So as you can see, we got auto execute, all these settings. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to download it. So let's get straight into the guide. So as you can see, we got all the settings. So this is super cool. So yeah, let's get straight into the tutorial. And I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So first thing we're going to do is go over to this website. So this is the website, guys. It's called blocksnova.net. So once you're here, guys, you will be able to download it onto your device. So there's going to be a button that says like get Delta. So you just want to go ahead and press on that. And you can read all about it. You can see it says like built-in scripts and stuff, 24/7 support. So they are really locked down hard, guys. And you can read about it too. So I'm going to press get Delta and it should pop up a page that's asking for your username. So you have to put in your username. So let me just go ahead and put this in right here so you can see. So I'm going to press continue. So now it's going to load up. I'm just going to search the database in my account. So I'm going to press connect. And now it's going to say like what type of script you want to install into your device. So I'm just going to turn this on right here. As you can see, as for the script, I don't care. You can do any of them. So I'm just going to go ahead and press continue. So there might be like a high traffic verification thing, but I already did it. But as you can see, it says API connecting. So I'm just going to wait for this to load. So let's just give it a second for this to load up here, as you can see. So I'm just going to wait for it to load. Alright, so let's see if this works. So as you can see, it says I'm on a robot, so I'm just going to press on that. And now it should load, so let's just give it a second. Alright, and we'll see if this goes through. So it worked. And you can see it says you already have Delta installed. So this is super cool. So I'm going to see you guys later, but that's how to get it onto your device. So this works on iOS and Android. You got all the settings. So yeah, try it out for yourself, guys. Get the word out. This is super cool, and it totally works. So if you guys need Delta Executor for iOS and Android, now you know all the settings you need to get, guys. So look at that. It's updated and everything. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to try it out for yourself. Get the word out. This is fully working, guys. Super crazy. So I'm going to see you later. But yeah, try it out for yourself. Get the word out. Look at all the settings. This is so cool. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. But yeah, be sure to try it out for yourself. Get the word out. So yeah, as you can see, we got like auto execute, anti-AFK. So this is so many settings. So try it out for yourself, guys. Get the word out. This is fully working. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I haven't had any problems with this at all. So I'm going to see you guys in another one. So yeah, be sure to try it out. Peace out.